Hi everybody, John here. Today I'm going to show you easy and simple Filipino dessert. It's called Ube Leche Flan. It's actually something like this, and I made some sugar work on it to make something different, not just Ube Leche Flan, but something fancier. So here I'm gonna add about 12 tablespoons of granulated sugar. I know it's kind of a lot, but at the end of the video you will see I'm just gonna use some of them, leftover sugar, caramelized sugar, for some artworks. So after placing about 12 tablespoons of granulated sugar, we're just gonna let it heat it on the medium heat, and then when it starts melting, you will see that by the rim of the pan, you will see that the caramelization starts. As you see in this point, caramelization just started. Here we have caramelization is about complete. In this point, do not attempt to use your utensils, or any spoon or fork to just mix with them at all. Do not touch. Just swirl your pan on the oven, and then let it caramelization continue until all the sugar melted completely. This procedure takes about 4 to 5 minutes. By the way, don't forget to take out your Ramekins or any other heat-proofed containers for the Leche Flan. Here in this point it's ready to pour your caramelized sugar on our Ramekins. As you see, I just left a little bit of caramelized sugar. Here we got about 9 egg yolks. I'm gonna use evaporated milk, about 375 ml, and then sweetened condensed milk. I have over here ube flavor we're gonna use, and also we're gonna have stronger color with the violet food coloring. First I'm pouring my sweetened condensed milk on top of the egg yolks. And then I got my evaporated milk. And here I'm just gonna pour about 1/4 teaspoon of Ube flavor. And I'm adding my 1/4 teaspoon of violet food color. I got my start mixing all the ingredients in one container. Make sure the ingredients completely mix well. To make sure we don't leave any egg lumps or any other residue, I'm just gonna use the strainer to get a better, more smoother flan. I do 2 times. Use the restrainer. Once we're done with this process, we're gonna pour our ingredients in our ramekins. They are already ready, cool down, and we're just gonna pour in slowly and just I just here basically eyeballing, but usually they are in the equal size. It's about 200 250 ml. And then I have already boiled tap water. It's about 2.5 cups of hot water. I'm just gonna pour over here. And after this, I'm using aluminum foil to lightly cover each ramekin, and then send it to oven. Just make sure the oven is preheated 180 degree for about 35 to 40 minutes. This is, you see the result. I'm just shaking the ramekins. You see the center still jiggly, still not completely hard, which is fine. You just need to wait in the room temperature. Let the ramekins rest about 30 minutes in the room temperature. Later on, leave it in the fridge about an hour or 2, and then take it out. If you really wanna taste, use the paring knife or another knife to remove from the corners and sides of the ramekin and flip it on a proper serving dish. And here I preheat my residual caramelized sugar, and I'm just gonna give some shape or give some fancy sugar art. So I'm just gonna put it on the Leche Flan. There you go. I just come out such a shape, square with the cross. Just let it cool down on the silicone mat, which I have over here. You see the macaron silicone mat. And gently I just get it and put it top of the Leche Flan. There you go.
Hey everybody,
enjoy.
I hope you guys enjoy the video and enjoy your dessert. I'm gonna taste mine. I cannot wait anymore. It's so creamy, silky. It's so yummy. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day. Sarap.